Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of August 2021. Also Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you here Aries. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Also Aries, please know that this is a timeless message, so whenever you see this message, it will be relevant to you. Let's start. Oh, I've got so many channel messages coming up for you here Aries. Okay, so on this side here Aries is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles for the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Aries, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. So it's quite interesting for you here Aries. I've got the Two of Wands and the Two of Swords coming up for you here. A very strong indecisiveness energy, confused and feeling stuck is what I'm getting coming up strongly for you here Aries. And then I've also got the Six of Swords energy coming up for you here as well. So I'm getting like a very strong third party situation coming up for you here Aries, or at least there are more than one person that you need to choose to be with is what I'm getting here. And this is why you're feeling stuck, and this is also another reason why you're feeling confused here as well, because you're just like not sure which way to go and who to be with here. It's almost like a situation where one person, because honestly I've got a karmic situation coming up right here for you here Aries. So karmic situation and your divine counterpart here, so there's definitely like a very strong choices coming up for you here Aries. I'm getting like a very strong third party energy coming up here as well. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here Aries, as I'm also getting like a very strong stock energy coming up here as well. So some of you here have been stuck in this particular situation for quite a while, and you want to get out of this karmic situation. You want to get in whatever toxic situation, third party situation that you're currently in at this point of time, but for some reason you just like cannot find a way out of that. So I'm also getting like a very strong feeling trap energy is another thing that I've got coming up for you here Aries. So it's like you feel like a puppet, I would say here Aries, because you want to go into a certain way, but due to external circumstances or even like due to family circumstances, some of you here could also have like a childhood trauma, for example, that you still haven't completely healed from here, and all of those situations is what making you feeling stuck, is what making you feeling trapped. So it's like you are in this particular box or in this particular situation where you have put yourself inside that particular box and inside that particular situation, but you have no idea how to get out of that. It's like your soul is being ripped out in two. One side here is that something that you cannot leave behind because of the karmic situation, because of certain situation that you need to fix, and another side here is that the person that you really want to be with here. So there is a very strong confusion and stuck and feeling trap energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here Aries. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Temperance coming up here. I've also got the Eight of Wands and the Ace of Cups energy coming up here. In a way, yes, they are also quite struggling, I would say here, and it's quite interesting because even within your person energy, I've also got the Devil coming up here. So I feel like both of you here Aries could be stuck, both of you here could be struggling and dealing with a certain third party situation is what I'm getting here. So Your person energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, with this Two of Pentacles energy, they're also quite struggling and they're also feeling stuck within a certain situation, within a toxic situation that they're currently in here as well. And another thing that I've got coming up from your person here, Aries, is that they're actually quite patient, I would say here. And then I've also got the Ace of Cups. So even though they're also struggling within a certain toxic energy, within a certain toxic situation in their life here, at the same time here, they're also quite patient, waiting for the union to happen between both of you here as well, Aries. Because with this Ace of Cups energy coming up here, even though they could not really open up themselves, even though they could not really come towards you and tell you how much that they love you, how much that you mean to them here, but they are no longer running away from their emotion here, Aries. So they are starting to open up their heart, they're starting to opening up themselves and their heart here to this particular connection, to the journey that they're supposed to be going through here, Aries. So no more running away from their emotion, no more all of this running and chasing dynamic is what I'm getting here. The only thing left to do here for both of you here, Aries, is that finalizing and finally walking away and fixing and finally ending this karmic situation and this third party situation that both of you are currently struggling with at this point of time. I've also got the Eight of Wands energy coming up here. Part of the wish, I would say here, or part of the dream, I would say here, Aries, is that for everything, not only the communication, but everything in both of your life here to be taking off is also part of what they are wishing to happen. Is another thing that I've got here. With this Eight of Wands energy, I won't be surprised if the month of August here, you're going to find a lot more back and forth communication, like the communication in general here is going to be taking off between both of you as well here, Aries. So definitely like a wonderful energy, especially with these two energy that I've got coming up here, the Lovers and the Ace of Cups. So both of you have to realize it's the soul connection that both of you share here. Even though some of you here, Aries, haven't really gotten the chance to talk to your person or to be open with your person, but both of you, I would say here, you and your person here, Aries, are no longer running from this connection. There is no more running and chasing dynamic. Like this is the end of this running and chasing dynamic between both of you. They are finally going to end all of this running and chasing dynamic that have been happening between both of you here, Aries. Now looking at the channel messages that I've got here, I've got I know I made a mistake. I've also got will you marry me coming up here, and I've got karmic situation. So there are certain things, there are many messages that I'm getting coming up here. So first of all here is that this karmic situation, so it's a good thing that they're acknowledging whatever that they're currently going on, or whoever that they're currently with here, they're acknowledging that this connection with this third party here is purely karmic. Like there is nothing good, and there is no love, like nothing at all going on between both of them here, Aries. And they want to be with you, they want to marry you, they want to have a life with you here. And another thing that I've got coming up from your person here, Aries, is that they know that they had made a mistake with all of this running and chasing dynamic that they've been doing, and this is why they're finally ending up those running and chasing dynamic here, Aries. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.